Now I'm going to show you the unboxing of Miele vacuum cleaner Ecoline Classic C1. First, let's take out the parts here at the side. So we have here a suction hose, roughly 2 meters long. A telescopic tube and a handle. Here from another side we have a floor head, additional brushes, accessories, and a narrow nozzle, and additional accessories. Here's the device itself, a white Miele Classic C1 Ecoline vacuum cleaner. And I will show you in the separate video how to put everything together to start cleaning with Miele Classic C1 Ecoline.